WIAT 42 Storm Track meteorologist Ted McInerney joining us now from the Storm Track Weather Center. Ted, would you be going down one of those slides?
You would want to, especially to get anywhere near water in this heat.
Yeah, no care. Or just a little bit of breeze as you're going down on that slide.
That sounds like a good way to beat the heat for sure.
Exactly.
Yeah, you felt it today. We got up to 90 degrees here in Birmingham, and it felt a little bit warmer with the heat index, with the humidity out there. And as we go on out and show you what we're tracking for you, I do expect to see a muggy night overnight continue, so an air conditioning unit is probably very good tonight. But it gets even hotter tomorrow, and yes, we are tracking a tropical disturbance in the Gulf. All right, Flag Day is tomorrow, so wear your red, white, and blue and get the stars and stripes out there tomorrow. Get your flag out there. We're looking good. Sunny skies in the morning, and then we will have that slight chance for an isolated shower during the afternoon. So not that big of a concern for rain tomorrow. I think it's going to be a hot and hazy Alabama day. As we look outside right now, you can see on Storm Track radar, most of the rain is contained to East Alabama. We do have one rain shower that's off to the north in northern Calhoun County right now. It's headed toward Piedmont, still raining in Jacksonville at this hour. We'll go ahead and put a storm track on this rain. It's going to start to fizzle out, but it'll get it to Piedmont here in the next couple of minutes. It'll get into McFray Crossroads at 10:25, Pleasant Gap at 10:30, and Ellisville at 10:33. Going down to the south, just some light rain throughout the Talladega National Forest through Childersburg, Sylacauga, even some rain in Goldville as well as Lineville, all the way through Randolph County and even Cleburne County as well. I'm going to show you what's happening on the wide picture here. You can see that there was a complex of storms that moved through earlier this evening, and they had some pretty good lightning and heavy downpours with it. Now everything's tracking off to the north and east, and we're looking clear. A ridge of high pressure will build in, and that's going to actually knock the clouds out and knock the rain out of here as well. We're looking at 76 right now, but look at that dew point. That's at 67 degrees. That is pretty sticky, not as humid as it was earlier today, but it's still up there. 76 in Birmingham, it's 74 in Gadsden, 72 Anniston, and 75 right now over in Pell City, 74 in Tuscaloosa. Now we are tracking the tropics. This is something that we are keeping a close eye on as we're now in the prime season in June for tropical systems in the Gulf of Mexico. This system right here is located just off the Yucatan Peninsula. It has about a 50% chance of development now from the National Hurricane Center, and most of the models are having it track into the Houston area right now, but that can change. The waters of the southwest Gulf of Mexico are very warm, so once it passes over the Yucatan Peninsula, we were going to have to watch that very closely. As we look at our Storm Track Futurecast, as we get into the 10 o'clock hour, you can see right now it's cleared out. Tomorrow morning, heading into church, it looks like it's going to be sunny, hot, and humid all the way from the start of the day. As we get into the afternoon, we see scattered showers again. Again, about a 20% coverage area. They'll be very random, but one of those storms, some thunderstorms, can be pretty feisty with a lot of wind and a lot of lightning, so it's nothing to mess around with. As we look at Monday morning and Monday afternoon, looking pretty good. 72 overnight. The evening storms have tapered off, steady temperature overnight, 93 tomorrow. That's going to be pretty warm. Isolated storms are possible in the afternoon. Here's a look at our Storm Track 7-day forecast. I got 93 for both Sunday and Monday, 92 on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, 93. And the 90s, well, they have one break. On Thursday, we'll have a little bit more clouds and a better shot at rain Thursday afternoon and also on Friday afternoon. But it looks likely the Alabama heat is here to stay.
Taking